Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this video, I'll show you how to watch free movies on Google TV. Now, this is part 1 of a 5-part series. So, let's get started.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Alright, if you find this insightful, drop me a like, subscribe to the channel for content like this. So we're going to head over to the Plex application. I'm going to open Plex, and in Plex, I'm showing you the application of choice. So this is an application you can use to watch free movies. Look at the home screen. So this is the home screen. I'm taking you to the movies and shows section of the app. So you can see different movies and shows in different categories. Like you can just look at movies and shows. They're in categories like binge. They're categories like best of the week. So you have the 90s collections, true crime. All of these categories are here. You also have the ability to look at detailed categories. So if you go up to the top bar, let's just go to the top bar and then go to the category section. So yes, categories there. So you can see different categories from comedy, action, documentaries, all that good stuff. You could open any category and explore the different movies within that category. So as you can see, all of this content and media is available. There's a wide variety of stuff on Plex. Everything here is totally free. You could pick any of this, like there's this Michael Jackson one. Okay, there's it right here. So if I click on this, you can see you could watch the movie from here by clicking on the play button. You can also view the cast. So from there, I also want to show you how you can search. I'll just head over to the search bar. I'll move out and go to this left panel. There's a search bar right there, and I'm just going to search for Game of Thrones. So GOT. So I'll look for G O and then T. Okay, so I'm giving that a second to load. There you have it. So that's Game of Thrones right there to the right. You could open that up. So I'll launch that to open it, and I can find the seasons here. I can find the cast, the crew. I could go to any season of my choosing and I'll find episodes right there. So just click on any episode and you can watch it right here. So Plex has a lot of movies. It has a lot of TV shows. It also has live TV. So everything you want could be found in this app. Enjoy the application, and if you do, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for content like this, and I'll see you there.